What's up, witches? I'm Allie the Bronx Witch, and in this Magic Monday, I'm going to be showing you how I apply floor washes and generally spiritually cleanse my home. Spiritually cleansing my space is very important to me, and I make sure to do it every weekend. And the first step is to actually clean my space. Spiritually cleansing your space without cleaning it first is like putting clean clothes on an unshowered body. It might look okay from a distance, but up close and personal, it's still pretty funky. So, when it comes to a floor wash, cleaning the floors is really important. So of course, I will thoroughly sweep and then mop my floors in my usual way. Once I'm done mopping my floors, I'm going to get rid of that dirty water and fill up my bucket with fresh, clean water. I'm also going to clean my mop with a little bleach water, and some witches actually have two separate mops so that they have one for cleaning and one for cleansing. You can get floor washes from your local botanica. If you do, you'll notice that they're typically made with a particular purpose in mind. These two that I have, one is for breaking of chains, kind of like a cord cutting, and the other is a high Grand Concourse, basically for getting rid of anything bad. Or you can make your own, like this mugwort floor wash for purification and cleansing. It's made with purifying ingredients such as rosemary, basil, garlic, and black salt. To use your floor wash, you can add a capful or so to your bucket of warm water. Or in my case, I like to add a little bit to a spray bottle just to make it easier to get everywhere. Whichever way you decide to do it, it's a great idea to take a moment to set your intention and pray over your mixture. Once I'm ready, I'm just going to spray a little bit of floor wash on the designated area and then use my clean mop to get it all over the floor, paying really close attention to my doorways, to heavily trafficked areas, and to all of the corners of each room. I'm also going to use the spray bottle to add a little floor wash to a cloth so that I can wipe down my doorways and my windowsills. I pay really close attention to the door frame, the doorknob, and because I live in an apartment building, I also like to wipe down the threshold and the first few inches in front of the apartment because postal workers, delivery people, and neighbors, all kinds of people tend to walk in front of my door. So I want to get rid of any lingering or unwanted energy that they may have left behind. Especially at stressful times like this, cleansing your home and keeping the vibrations in your space high and free of any lingering, unwanted, negative, or stagnant energy is really going to help you feel your best and put you in a good headspace. So if you make your own floor wash or have any cleansing rituals that you would like to share, post them on Instagram and use the hashtag Magic Mondays so I can check it out. I will see you in the next video. Blessed be.